I read in the newspaper, the local newspaper, Nastila newspaper, that the local residents had built this walkway, Talkovoima, like volunteer work. People came in, built it, leading up to a tower for watching bird watching tower. It's only been open about 2 or 3 days, and I thought I'd like to come and look and see what it was like and how they have done it. This is a very sort of swampy area here. It looks like they've just put big logs down there to keep it up off the ground. No screws, no bolts, nothing. I expect they're pressure treated so they don't rot. So let's go along. See this. It's always nice to see how things are built, put together. All this nice railings, pretty solid. Oh, a little joint there. Look at that. No idea what the view will be like. Don't hear very many birds singing. There we are. That there's the tower for looking out over the lake. And it's pretty solid, this. Big bolts there holding that together. It looks like they've got some concrete blocks down there and braces going across to stop it from wobbling. Now I can hear a woodpecker or some bird, but that's back in the forest. Okay, let's go on. Looks like they've got decking here made out of, what do you call it, water resistant vannery, what's that, plywood. Really quite solid. And it looks like there's lots of reeds. I suppose it's for very small birds. Again, all these poles bolted, and numbers on them, 1.4 meters and 1.2 meters, so they've been doing mathematics and calculating how things are put together. Forest over there, back down the walkway, and stairs going up. Let's see how these stairs have been made. That's always interesting. So, 2 screws in there, 1 screw there and 2 screws there, holding it together all the way up. Looks like they've got some markings there to get the angle right. And the lines, you can see those lines in there, really should come to pencil mark. So somebody has been doing measuring, it's not just all done by the look of the eye. Let's test the stairs. Again, big solid bolts there holding the railing in place. And over there again, 1.1 on there and some other number, 2.2 there, and a bolt hole in that one. Big bolts there. And it looks like it's, what do you call it, pressure treated wood, so it won't rot. So what's it like climbing up these stairs? Well, it's better than that tower that I climbed up away out in the forest. It's easier, not shaky or rickety. Seems to be well made. I'm coming up to the top. And there we have it. That's the lake. I suppose there's lots of reed warblers and stuff in there. I think this is called Sylvöjärvi. But no birds at all. And then down there you can see they've got a little swimming platform, which is quite nice. Anyway, that's it. Sylvöjärvi in Nastula. Not a sound anywhere. The birds are keeping quiet. No traffic noises. Nothing. And a bird watching tower with no birds. Well, there's a little fly. That's it. Let's go back home now.